Let's get started by clicking the attendance button. This will bring you to the overall attendance module. To track attendance, begin by selecting the date and choosing the group name. Next, enter the head count. Continue to enter groups until all groups are entered. The groups you've created will be here in the center. Clicking on the group name will show the attendance for that day for each department. For a trend report over time, click the Report button. Enter a beginning date. Next, enter an ending date. Select the Details button. This report shows attendant details by group, over time. To check attendance by group names, click the Groups button. This report shows group names summarized over time. Next, let's look at event tracking. Click the Events button. You can begin by creating a class or an event. Here you will enter in information surrounding the course or event. Let's look at an example of a class. Click the class and the session will appear. Next, click the session and the instructor's name will appear. Finally, select the ID. Here you will create your enrollment and track your attendance. Click the Enrollment button. Enter student information. To track attendance, click the Attendance button. Enter in relative information in regard to class attendance. This concludes this tutorial.